Here we're going to cover some of the teaching strategies, modifications, and accommodations for students with ADHD. One way to help children with ADHD is to sit them close to the teacher. It's easier for children to focus their attention on the teacher. The ADHD will make students forgetful. They often forget to bring their books home. Teachers should provide extra copies for children to keep at their homes. It's very important to frequently check for understanding during the lesson. Formative assessment strategies such as scales 1 to 5 are very effective. ADHD students often don't absorb things like directions. Therefore, these teachers may need to repeat the directions over and over again. When it comes to instruction, teachers should aim to incorporate more visuals into their lessons. Visuals will focus attention on the content at hand. Because these students have a shorter attention span, assess students using short quizzes as opposed to long exams and essays. To help keep students on track and paying attention in class, provide outlines of the notes and lesson. Have students follow along to keep them engaged. Color code assignments, for example. All the mathematics assignments can be in blue paper and all the history assignments in yellow. Because their attention doesn't last very long, it's advantageous for these students to have larger assignments broken down into smaller parts. Provide detailed rubrics for group work, hands-on learning, and/or project-based learning. It'll help give a clear picture of what exactly is needed. Teachers should provide directions in both written and auditory form. And what this will do is it will reinforce the directions. I love to decorate my classroom with posters and signs. However, the fact of the matter is that too many decorations will gain the students' attention and they won't be focused on the content. Every once in a while, check on the organization of your students' notebooks. ADHD children forget to write things down like important dates and tests. Teaching methods should focus on concrete instruction. First, ensure these students understand the concrete level before moving towards the abstract level. These children often misbehave and have behavioral issues. Teachers may need to create a behavior plan. That would be a proactive measure. Avoid having long, tedious lectures. Have a student-centered approach. Assign classroom projects and other engaging activities. When assigning worksheets or long tests, don't have too many questions. Remove some questions specifically for the ADHD student. And lastly, one of my favorite things to do is use sticky notes. Put a positive note on their desk to encourage them to pay attention. It's much better than cold calling them. Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.